All right, so I recently got this Bissell vacuum cleaner for our upstairs area that's completely carpet. And I'm going to be honest. I mean, you're not going to buy this because it's a super quality vacuum. What you're going to buy it for is this motor. I mean, this thing, they didn't hold back. Everything else is plastic on there, I'll admit. But the motor on this, I mean, it sucks up way more than any other vacuum, even some Dyson ones that are, made for that. So, as you can see, this is from one session of vacuuming just upstairs. Now, that does say a little bit about me and how clean we are, but just to show you, I mean, that's how much it sucks up in one. So I have to, the only downside really to this vacuum is that I have to empty this so much because it's so high powered. So much so that, I think it's going to pull up the carpet sometimes. But, it does have some good features other than, that. It comes with some actual attachments. Basically just some things to get in corners and to kind of scrub if you need to scrub. And the handle part is actually a whole, attachment itself. So you can actually pull it out and attach the other attachments on there and make it kind of like a lengthy thing. So, super nice. And, I don't really use these attachments all that much, mainly because I don't need to. The vacuum is just so high powered as it is that it kind of is self-sustaining here. So, but yeah, really good vacuum. You're going to buy it for the price and the motor, not because it looks nice. But yeah, highly recommend.